Welcome to CAS 109 Digital Presentations, Columbia Gorge Community College, Dallas, Oregon. Mrs. Hughitt, instructor. This will be some more detailed directions for your Week 7 project. Otherwise, I suspect we're going to have some questions come up. So let's hop down here to Week 7 and talk about what we need to do. You're given a website to do for the charts part, and you're going to basically just work your way through it. So you're going to start here. Read through the introduction, watch the video. It shows you some different types of charts and you can scroll through them. It talks about different parts of a chart and inserting a chart, and it starts to have you actually insert one. So as you go through, you can play with these. I started with a pie chart, I did a line chart, I ended up with a column chart. I poked and prodded at a lot of different things when I was doing the sample one. You can do the same thing. See what's there. You may need it at some point, and you'll already have done all the exploring, and you won't have to spend a lot of time at work or for your science project or whatever trying to figure out what exists. Once you pick your desired chart, go for it. That means they're going to all be a little bit different. I'm not looking for one set project where everybody's is going to match. An Excel window will pop up for you. It's tied to your Excel program. You do not have to open it. PowerPoint takes care of pulling that up for you. And you can use this data in here if you want to put it in. That's what I used. I go down here, it shows you placeholders, talks your way through it. And then it starts to create another one. So if you would rather use this one, that is fine. This is what they ended up with. So you can use that instead if you'd rather have something a little bit bigger to play with. Either set's fine. You don't have to save the Excel. PowerPoint just kind of takes care of that for you, so you can just close Excel. Continue on down here. You're going to do some editing. Now, this is an older version of PowerPoint, so things will look a little bit different as far as where you find them, but they're all still there. They haven't changed how these two programs play together with charts that much, and so you should be fine. Just look around a little bit on the screen. Don't panic if you don't see it exactly where this is. Copying and pasting from Excel, you can do that as well. So like if you use Excel at work or you're using it for a class and you want to bring some stuff over into PowerPoint, into the charts tool, you can do that. You can also import from Excel. And if you've already got stuff done, it's already created in Excel, you can import it and link it in, and it does talk you through that. Obviously, you don't have to do that. This is not an Excel class, but it's nice to know how to do that. And then you're going to start modifying the charts. And this is the part that I want you to spend a little bit of time doing so you know where these tools are in your version of the program and can go back and find them later if you need them. And so here's your video. It is for 2010, but I don't really think it's going to make a huge difference. For example, like right here, mine's over here. In 2016, it's over here on the screen instead of over here, but it's the same looking icon, it's just moved over. So you're just going to have to look around a little bit. Feel free to poke and play with these so you can see what your options are. The switch row and column is really nice to know how to do, so I'd like you to do that. You can put it back, I don't care, but it's really nice to know how to do that because sometimes you get it going and go, you know, that would look better if I had it going this way, or I had it this going on, or I did this. And so it makes a difference in what the story is you're telling with that graph at times and with the charts. So please play with that a little bit. You can go in and do the layout changes. Mine looks a little bit different when my drop up down comes out, but it's really nice to go in and play with the styles and the formats a little bit. It's not like you have to get style 18, and so if yours comes up looking a little different, and mine did, it's okay. Pick one. Just pick one you want to play with. Don't have to do the challenge. So what am I looking for when you're done? Well, I used the first set of data, and I got a blank slide. So I've got mine here. I've switched this around 2 or 3 times. I played with the switch. I didn't put a title in. You can definitely do that. You can change what you've got here instead of those titles if you want to make it something different. That's fine. And then you're going to add a new slide and you're going to put a table in here. This is a chart. You're going to add a table, and there are videos in PowerPoint section here on the required videos of how to create tables and how to format tables. So that your second or third slide, depending on how you look at it, is going to have a table in it. Now you can again start with insert table with a placeholder, or if you prefer to work from a blank slide, you can do that as well. If you want to keep that slide, you can add your name, say week 7 project, whatever, or you can delete that slide, because these are the two that I will be grading, the chart one and the table one. And that should take you through the week 7 project. Again, the table is one that you're going to put together and format and make look pretty and nice. And you're going to use all the bells and whistles and tools. What you put for data in there is kind of up to you. You can create your own data for that table.